Welcome to Munnar, another jewel of God's own country. So we have opted for this jeep trip for jeep safari. Let's see कहाँ जाएंगे. We will explore all the places. So let's go. So much rush here that I do not at all feel good. It's eco point and here I see the view is very beautiful. Like ये शायद से lake है ना बे? Lake. So here the view is very beautiful. मतलब it's surrounded by lake and all, and on the other side is the hill. I think we have been to that side only. This is the best thing we could think of, but we will come again. So now let's go. The view is just so amazing here. Like I wanted कि ऐसे ले पानी हो, river हो या कुछ भी, and I should be so close to it. I mean, it's so beautiful. Feels so good to be here. So good. And the wind. This is the best season, but we were expecting यहाँ पे, so we started our journey bit early to avoid any rush. Like थोड़ा बहुत तो रहेगा because this is the season, but we tried to come early so that we can avoid the rush. Or see, there's no one here. It's so good. Let's shout, Sam, I love you. Wow. Actually, wow, I am so happy, you know.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase.
So we have come towards the hill, to the one of the highest point here of the hills, and at the back, I do not know if the camera can capture, far away I can see the waterfalls. It looks so good from here, and I can see it's covered by hills, and the hills are covered by clouds. It feels so good, and there's a slight breeze here as well. I think Munnar ka weather, this is the peak season, as I told many a times before. Basically November and December is the best time to come here. और थोड़ा sunny है, but weather बहुत अच्छा है. And now we will head off to another destination. Till now we have covered 3 points, isn't it, Sam? So we have covered 3 points. So let's go. Chalo. Okay. So we have come in a jeep. So we have come. He is the bhaiya who is helping us. Bhaiya, ek hi bol. Hi. So we got at a very reasonable price, and he has been showing us many places with like अच्छा लगा. So let's go now.
No rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
destination. Before starting the journey, we were very happy that we will be covering many places, but I think we have covered only 3 or 4 places. Chalo, koi nahi. So this is river waterfall. Sundar hai waterfall. But next we will be going to the tea gardens, because there is where I want to go exactly. But we will take our car there. Jeep वगैरह नहीं लेंगे. So this is it. But it is huge, na? I think during monsoon it will be very beautiful, na? क्योंकि अभी इतना है. The experience was pretty good, as I said everything. Now we are headed for the next journey. So see you all very soon. Till then, bye bye. ठीक है भैया, thank you, bye. Checked out from the hotel, as you have seen, and we had food, breakfast type kar liya, and now we are on our way to return back home. But the view is so beautiful here at the back side of me. This like tea garden, and it's a private property, or the clouds are covered like, and it is covered by clouds everywhere at the back. You can see like the clouds are moving. It looks so good. Like subah it was quite sunny, but suddenly it started like raining, cloudy ho gaya, and it looks so good. And we will be going by this way. Let me show you the view, what I am able to see from here. So we will be going by this way, and it looks so beautiful. It seems like it's a dream. It's a blanket of greens everywhere. Just see. So we are going to the next destination. मतलब रास्ते में देखते हैं और क्या क्या मिलता है और कहाँ जाते हैं. So let's go.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
So we are in this Chundubarai estate and the place is really so beautiful. Like बचपन में I always used to imagine about the village life वाला जो experience है. The place is exactly like that. Like एक side में होगा पहाड़, there will be tea gardens and like skies, beautiful clouds, cows. मतलब it's so beautiful, and the hills are covered by the clouds. That is adding the beauty even more. Like I'm going crazy out of happiness to be able to view this place, and there is not a single tourist here. कोई भी नहीं है, no one is here, and I'm going so crazy out of happiness. I cannot describe you all. I hope like you guys should come. This is so beautiful. I feel really lucky and blessed to be able to come here, And what makes me more happy is like the place is like no one is here. Like I can just be myself, enjoy the nature. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत सुंदर है. And it seems like a blanket. वो side में जो एक मतलब टी गार्डन से cover किया है. Oh my God, it looks like a blanket. I am going crazy.
Turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn